welcome back to my YouTube channel and to the first official autumn video of the season. I feel like I've low-key been teasing this kind of content on my channel over the past few weeks just from like cozy vlogs and stuff, but today is literally going to be the first proper autumnal video that we do together and I could not be more excited. Since August has begun, I've very much been enjoying the autumnal vibes that have come with the new month. It truly does feel like we're entering autumn. Like, I'm already starting to notice the trees change, all of the autumn ranges and stuff in store that make everything feel so festive. I am so here for it. Autumn has got to be my favorite time of the year. It's my favorite season. It's my birthday. It's all of my favorite things. I am very excited to be creating another YouTube video and just more content here on my channel throughout autumn. It's my favorite time, to be honest with you, to make YouTube videos. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into today's autumnal video. Today we're going to be getting into the autumn spirit, and in today's video we are going to be going to Lush, seeing the new autumn ranges. We're going to be doing a little bit of decorating. We're going to be doing some baking, binge watching some favorite cozy autumn shows like Pretty Little Liars or Gilmore Girls. Like, there's so many fun shows and movies to watch. Starting off, today I actually was in town and I got an email last night from Lush. To be a part of the Lush club, you need to download the app and basically just create yourself an account. You get exclusive access to early launches and things like that. Halloween is here and that some items are now available to buy through the Lush app. So I was like, okay, I could do that, but I do really want to smell the things myself. So I popped into Lush today and they had some of the shop floor covered with autumn stuff. I'm gonna give you guys an early Lush Halloween 2026 self-care haul. I actually do have a Lush storefront, so I'll have everything linked down below so you guys can shop directly from this video. I got 2 mini shower gels, so I actually got a Lord of Misrule shower gel as well as their cinnamon spice latte. I actually realized, like, unless I love something, I won't get through a whole bottle of it, and last year it took me ages to get through a whole bottle of Lord of Misrule, so I wanted to get 2 mini ones. If you saw last year, they did a pumpkin spice latte shower gel, and for a lot of people, including myself, I was honestly a little bit disappointed. Like, I just thought it would smell a lot better. But then this year they've kind of altered it and made it smell a lot more cinnamon, a lot more sweet, and this has redeemed itself. It now smells so good. We also have 2 bath bombs. This is their new pumpkin glitter bath bomb. This smells absolutely unreal. Also, the colors of this bath bomb are so stunning. I love it, and I feel like you can just tell. The body shimmer you're gonna get from this bath bomb is insane. I also got their brand new firework bath bomb. This one smells like their cinnamon roll bubble bar they do at Christmas time, and overall it just smells like such a good cinnamon candle. It smells so good. I've got a feeling this is probably going to be a seasonal favorite of mine. And then the last 2 things I got today were in fact bubble bars. For those that have showers and do not have baths, you guys, there's a hack with this. You just get a little bit of a bubble bar, crumble up in your hand, put it on a loofah or add it to your body, and you can use it as a shower gel or as a shower product. Lord of Misrule bubble bar smells unreal, smells so good, and I love the bubbles that this makes in a bathtub. I literally love Halloween at Lush so much. It's my favorite. The last bubble bar I got was a pumpkin one. It smells so good and I just love it. It's actually their pumpkin crumble bubble bar they do every year, but it's just like a bigger version. It's like way better value for money. So we have this one as well. As you can tell, I'm very happy about today's purchases. Also guys, a bit of a home update. I'm gonna do a moving diaries episode soon, but I got my couch. I've lived in my apartment now for 6 months and I finally bought my sofa. It was in the IKEA bargain corner. I saved like £200 on my sofa. I'm so happy. It's cream, it's gorgeous, like it's literally everything I wanted, and I'm so glad I was patient, waited, didn't waste any of my money, and kept going, kept looking. And I went to IKEA, I saw it and was like, no, like, mum, like, this is the sofa I need to get. This is the one that I know needs to come home with me. And then I also got this TV unit behind me as well, which I spent 5 hours building. I'll roll the clip. As you guys can see, it took me hours, and you know what, it was totally worth it because I feel like my apartment now feels like home. Let's make a vanilla pumpkin latte. Then we're gonna have a shower, gonna cook some dinner. Tomorrow we're gonna have content day 2. Also, if you are a subscriber on my channel and you're like, what's up, Sienna? Like, you look a little bit different. I got hair extensions in. Oh yeah. You wouldn't be able to tell that this is not my real hair. Like, look how good this color matches. It's kind of insane. This is actually the Riri hair extensions clipped in ponytail. I'll have a link down below for you guys. It's insane. It's 22 inches long. I am in love. I feel like it's giving me literally an immediate confidence boost. I'm a happy girl. I missed my long hair. Future Sienna, if you're looking back on this and you've got long hair again, do not cut your hair. Don't do it. Just don't dye it anymore and don't cut your hair, because like the struggles we've been dealing with have been insane. Let's make some coffee. I've already had one today, but it's fine. It is currently 2:40. It is Tuesday the 11th of August and I'm actually going to be heading to HomeSense this morning because I have a very exciting upcoming brand deal with them. I know, it feels actually insane to say. I cannot believe I'm working with them. They emailed me yesterday, everything was signed last night. So yeah, I'm gonna... Oh my god. This is not okay. Why? I can't do that. I really hope that doesn't happen again. By the end of this week, I need to have everything filmed and edited and sent off for approval. I'm heading there today to go to film 2 UGC videos with them, which was absolutely insane to say. I cannot believe I'm working with them. They are definitely one of the dream brands to be working with in like a summative way, is that they would like me to film some videos for their social media. That is what we're off to do today. The first one is very much a POV and the second one is going to be for things, essentials for your first home. If you've been watching my channel, you guys know I actually moved out earlier this year for the first time. I feel like this campaign, overall, these two concepts really do align with myself and my content. So I'm really excited to be filming them with HomeSense. I'm gonna go choose out some things for the whole video and just kind of have a little bit of a shop around and of course film the UGC videos. And then we're gonna go back home today. I also really want to get some content because I'm really obsessed with my outfit today. I feel like it's really cute and autumnal. I'd love to try and get some Instagram photos. That is the update. Those are the updates and I'm gonna bring you guys with me. I am now back at home and I've just gone back and I'm about to do some more filming for my HomeSense ads that I've been working on all day today. I think I spent probably like 2.5–3 hours in HomeSense today, but I'm so happy with all of the content I managed to get and I actually got some really cute pieces as I'm filming today and bring you guys along with me on a UGC day. The first thing I actually picked up, I feel like with any space or any environment that you're in, a candle automatically adds such a nice cozy feel. I actually found this DW Home one and I just loved how gorgeous the illustration is on this candle, and also it's a wood wick candle. It actually crackles when you have it lit. Heirloom pumpkin. It just smells really nice. It's also a bit different from what I usually get. I usually get really sweet candles, but this one in particular just smells really refreshing. Also got some flowers for like a cute flower arrangement because I think artificial flowers just add such a nice touch into any space. Flowers that are going to make such a nice bouquet. I've actually already cut them down already, so they're ready to go in a vase now. Picked up this basket. I wanted something like this for my living room just to make it a bit more cozy and also just to have some storage in here. For my pillow for the living room, now I've got a sofa, I wanted to get an accent pillow. So this one says grateful on it, orange gingham print on there, and it's got this really pretty embroidery. I just love it because I feel like gratitude is so important and I love that it says it on it. Now if you've been watching any of my autumn vlogs over the past few weeks since I guess July, I've been on the hunt for 2 things when I've been in HomeSense and TK Maxx, and that's literally been pumpkin spice syrup, new kitchen towels, because mine I've had since I moved in and I need to get new ones. I found 1 bottle of pumpkin spice syrup. This is the brand that I used last year, so I'm very happy. I'm really excited to finally have a restock of this. I am on my last drop. I think I actually used the last of it the other day, so finally got a new bottle and it's a pack of 2. Very cute. Also, I know white maybe is not the most practical, but I'm determined to keep these clean and just make sure they don't stain. So I also found this like utensil jar. I guess you could use this for a few things, but it was so gorgeous. Like, I love the illustration on it. It's so pretty. The ultimate cozy must-have is any sort of blanket from HomeSense or TK Maxx. This one is this really nice orange brown fluffy one. So nice. I literally love it. It's so soft. I can't wait to just lounge around on the couch with it. Could not be more happier with today's HomeSense finds. As for right now, I'm going to pop everything away, film the last bit of videos, show you guys the finished touches, and then I think later on I need to go grocery shopping.